Sid Tyler, I don't know, like this because it gives them an excuse to capitalize on FOMO even more. Better go buy everything you want now. Who knows what will rotate out next? Sure, if you are a FOMO addict, right? You have to have the latest stuff. Then yes, it feels like you're being coerced or cultivated or you know what I mean, like whatever. But that's on you. That's on you and not having any restraint. But if you have the resources to spend on this stuff willy nilly, then by all means carry on. I mean, if you have to have the latest stuff, then carry on. I mean, if you got the resources, bills are paid and everything like that, by all means carry on. For everybody else out there, well, I mean, yeah, again, it's a little bit of restraint. I mean, you know, brand new model. You know, like for me, I mean, Space Marine stuff. Some of the stuff that came out in the last couple of years looked cool. Would I buy it? No, not really. I wasn't excited about it. It was more Space Marine stuff. I wanted my Eldar. Now that I'm finally getting my Eldar, I can actually start to appreciate all the other models that have been, you know, being showcased again, right? Because I don't have that negativity cloud hanging over my head, like, where are my Eldar? I don't know where my Eldar, you know. And so soon enough, you know, it'll be because the rumor is that Tyranids will be getting a new codex soon enough. And I'm sure there are probably one or two models that'll be coming out for that.